To create a Cash App account, start by downloading the Cash App from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, tap Open to launch it. You will be prompted to enter your phone number or email address to sign up. Choose one and enter the required information. Cash App will then send you a verification code to confirm your phone number or email address. Enter the code you received to proceed. Next, you will be asked to create a unique username, also known as a $hashtag, which will be used to identify your account. Choose a $hashtag that is easy to remember and not already taken by someone else. After creating your $hashtag, you will be asked to link your bank account or debit card to your Cash App account. This will allow you to add and withdraw funds from your account. To link your bank account, select your bank from the list of available banks or add your debit card information manually. Follow the prompts to complete the linking process. Once your bank account or debit card is linked, you can start using your Cash App account to send and receive money. As a security measure, consider enabling two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of protection to your account. This will require you to enter a verification code sent to your phone or email whenever you log in to your account. Finally, review the terms of service and privacy policy to understand how Cash App uses your information and protects your account. By following these steps, you can create a Cash App account and start using it to manage your finances.